Thank you guys so much for all the comments on the last Glasses Marks video. I'm back one more time, and this time it's only one ingredient. We're keeping it short and simple. You are not going to want to miss this, so stay tuned. I have to apologize in advance because I was supposed to make this video, I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago, but life has been crazy, but I'm here now. So thank you so much for getting the last Glasses Marks video up to over 100 likes. You guys asked for it, so today I am here to give you guys my one product to help with glasses marks. It's pretty obvious to me that some of you don't like long intros, so I'm gonna just cut to the chase here with this one and show you guys what the product is. It's a little controversial, and I know some people are gonna be like, I don't know about that, but just hear me out real quick, right quick. All right, so whitening cream. Now listen, first and foremost, for those people who think that they just got the secret sauce, the secret recipe, and they're gonna X out of this video, goodbye. You're gonna miss the most important part, which is how to apply it. It's not about a whitening cream. You could probably use pretty much any one and get very similar results, but the way you apply it makes all the difference. This is just for a teeny tiny area. We are not trying to get rid of our melanin. This is literally only to put on the glasses marks, okay? I got this on Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive. I got this like a year ago, and I decided not to use it while I was pregnant or breastfeeding because I don't know, some of these ingredients, I don't know. And this is also why I'm not a huge advocate for it. But I told you guys I was going to give you one product that you can buy, that you don't have to make. Again, I have natural ways to do this, but some people wanted a different solution. I understand it ain't for everyone, but I'm just telling you what worked for me. So this whitening cream is by Asavia. It's advanced brightening. It has collagen in it. It's to conceal and whiten sensitive areas, body, and private parts. Safe and gentle, rich in antioxidants, 60 milliliters. Now, as far as using this, I think the most important thing is how to use it. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you clean your skin, that there's no makeup or oil or dirt or anything on it. After your skin is clean, you want to make sure that you dry it. And then once it's dry, you can apply this product. It says for best results to apply it twice a day, so in the morning and in the evening. It also advises that you use sun protection when you are using this in an area that is exposed to the sun. Just in terms of using it, for me, I found that the most efficient way after I've cleaned and dried my skin is to apply it using clean hands. So typically I'll just apply a tiny bit of this product. So I'll show you guys a video of me doing it, but I found that tapping it into your skin works out a lot better than just like rubbing it in. After you've tapped it on, you can layer, just tapping it into your skin instead of rubbing it. It does tend to make you look like ashy, like it gives this, like, it just looks ashy basically. And we're not trying to look ashy, we're trying to look real classy. So you want to make sure that you tap it into your skin and then layer it on, tap it again twice a day. I've used this for a few days and my glasses marks will go away. Again, if you continue wearing your glasses, the glasses marks will probably come back. So the idea here is this is just really a quick fix solution, and it actually works very quickly. So I definitely recommend this if you are looking for an easy way to help reduce or alleviate your glasses marks without having to put in too much work by making something. So So this is how I removed my glasses marks. I think this will be my last video on glasses marks, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. And I'll see you soon with more videos.